Folks, it's time to tell the truth. A story about a boy I met in my youth. He plays tricks on whoever he can and thinks about himself, I'm a hell of a man. But he's just as stupid as a fool can be. He never will stop looking up to me. He's Mr. Perfect, but in fact he's not. He never gets the point, never knows what's what. He never goes crazy and never goes wild. Fully controlled, but alone like a child. No one is as fast as I can be. Still today he's looking up to me. He makes wonderful jokes, they're just boring. No one really listens to his important stories. He makes great effort to take others down. And each day he must play the clown. I'm the best and will always be, but still today he's looking up to me. I'm the best and will always be. The best and will always be. Someday in the future I'll bring him on the way. I put him in a rocket and push the button play. I send him to the moon and will never let him back. Yeah, that will be my answer to all of his attacks. He is the greatest, playing tricks for free, and after all he's even looking down on me.